In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check Compass for results of learning tasks, view grades, and check teacher feedback. So first of all, let's open the Compass app. Any of your children will appear up the top here. For this example, we just have the one here, so I'm just going to press on their profile picture. You'll see up the top there's a few options here. For this one, we just want to hit on tasks, and this will show any learning task that is available for you to view as a parent. So we're just going to expand this Year 9 Digital Technology one. You can see there's a learning task here with a percentage here on the side. We can just press on the task to view it in more detail. This has the details of the task. This will list any of the due dates, any of the details of the task that you need to know here, and all feedback and scores will be in this feedback tab up the top. So you can see here there will be a teacher feedback comment, a score, and a total percentage here. And that's it, and that's how you check a learning task in Compass.